Alright, here we go. Hornady Black is back with 7.62 by 3.9. We are doing the F.W.C test, which, what is F.W.C, you may ask, and I shall tell you. That is flour, water, cantaloupe. What we're doing is just seeing how well the expansion is, and then the kind of like the wound channel a little bit, and penetration of it is what we got going on here. So stay tuned. Alright, here we go as my socks get filled with stickers. We are doing the F.W.C test once again with 7.62 by 3.9 Hornady Black. 50 yards and we got a nice in, out of the flour. There we go. We have lots of lead fragments. Huh. Oh, here we go. Cantaloupe. It's kinda. Cantaloupe was up like that, so it hit there. You can see where it hit, and I guess it just split and was on a veer down. So that's interesting. We have a cantaloupe for another test. Can we fix it? Oh my God! Smoky oak! Like I said, Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. So here we go with the Smoky Oak Repair Kit. Target repair kit for all your home ballistic testing needs. As long as it's Smoky Oak safety standards met. Ta-da. Let's see what we got. Ha-ha! I'm gonna save you, little buddy. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Might even get a raise. Looky there, Smoky Oak for all your target repair needs. Smoky Oak answers the call. Remember, Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Alright, here's the wrap up on the F.W.C with 7.62 by 3.9 and Hornady Black. Got the bullet right there. Lead pretty much vaporizes like always. Left in the water jug. But I'm just going to give you all a quick measurement because we can. 1/2 inch. There we go. 0.3. So that's some good expansion going on there. That is definitely liking that bullet too. Good deal. Kind of short and sweet on this wrap up, but like I said, that's all I got to show you. Thanks for watching.